Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 413379 bifold follower assembly. This is used on the bifolding Magic Force and Magic Swing door assemblies, and from what I understand, the bifolding automatic doors are falling into less favor or commonality of late. Overall length of the aluminum block, 3 1/4. Its width, 1 inch. Its height, about 3/4 inch. Let's take a look at the sleeve that's there. The outside diameter, 0.852 outside diameter. Its total projection, 0.997. 0.997 is the overall. Okay. A couple of preparations there for its fasteners. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as several other encyclopedic documents such as users' manuals and wiring diagrams, things of that nature. Weighs about 0.3 pound, and if you have any questions on the Stanley 413379 bifold follower assembly or any other Stanley automatic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.